Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover Ubisoft account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very easy method, but it can be complicated as well. Let me tell you the details over here. So if you have closed your account, or if you got logged out of your account and somebody else has simply closed your account, then you can never recover it. If you're simply trying to log into your account but you cannot log into it because you have forgotten the information, then for that you have an option of simply forgot password, where you will be able to add in the information and then you can create yourself a new password. Go to the can't login. Over here you will have option of I forgot my password, I have played on mobile, I have two-step verification issue. So all these things can be solved. So if you have problem within this or there's any of the issues mentioned over here, you can tap on each topics and it will lead you to another browser for you to simply help you out with. If you're having a login error, then you can again refresh it and open. If you are having a linking issue, that's why you're not being able to connect, tap on that. But if you have forgotten your password, tap on that and you can reset your new password for yourself by getting an email on your email address that you create your account with, and then you will be done. But as I mentioned before, if somebody has hacked your account and logged you out and closed your account, then that cannot be recovered. The another thing is, if you cannot access your usual verification method as well, recovery codes can be used instead as well. Those recovery codes will be sent in an email from accountsupport@up.com, where you can simply email them regarding your concern as well. The subject line is two-step verification recovery codes. If you cannot find this email, we recommend checking your spam or junk folder as well. Make sure to email them on accountsupport@up.com for the further if you cannot get your help from the website. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.